Hey, stargazers and nature lovers, are you ready to take your celestial explorations to the next level? Today, I'm introducing you to the Celestron 15x70 Astronomy Binoculars, a must-have for anyone looking to unlock the wonders of the night sky or enjoy breathtaking views of distant landscapes. Cut to a close-up of the binoculars, highlighting their sleek design and sturdy build. First off, these binoculars are specifically designed for astronomy and long-distance viewing. With their large 70mm objective lenses and 15 times magnification, they deliver stunning clarity and brightness, even in low-light conditions. What I love most is that these binoculars are tripod adaptable. For those long stargazing sessions, you can easily attach them to a tripod for hands-free, steady viewing. Trust me, this is a game-changer for spotting details on the moon or identifying constellations. Check out these amazing views. The Celestron 15x70s provide sharp, high-contrast images of celestial objects. It's perfect for spotting craters on the moon, watching planets, or even catching the next meteor shower. And don't think these binoculars are just for astronomy. They're also fantastic for daytime activities like birdwatching, wildlife spotting, or enjoying scenic landscapes. Their lightweight yet durable design makes them easy to take on any adventure. Ready to explore the universe from your own backyard? Click the link in the description below to grab your very own Celestron 15x70 astronomy binoculars. By using my link, you'll not only be investing in an incredible stargazing experience, but also supporting this channel. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching and happy stargazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your favorite celestial object. Clear skies, everyone. See you in the next video.